Hey plant-powered pals, let's dive into some seriously delicious and super easy vegan breakfasts that'll kickstart your day with a bang. Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just dipping your toes into the plant-based pool, these recipes are guaranteed to make your taste buds dance and your wallet smile. Let's start with the ultimate breakfast classic: avocado toast with a twist. Grab a slice of your favorite whole grain bread and toast it to perfection. While that's happening, mash up half an avocado with a fork. Now, here's where the magic happens. Add a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes. Spread this creamy goodness on your toast and top it with sliced cherry tomatoes. Boom! You've got a protein-packed, nutrient-dense breakfast that'll keep you full and energized. Next up, we're making a banana peanut butter smoothie bowl. That'll make you forget all about boring old cereal. In your blender, throw in a frozen banana, a big spoonful of peanut butter, a splash of plant-based milk, and a handful of spinach. Blend until smooth and pour into a bowl. Top with sliced banana, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and a drizzle of agave syrup. It's like eating ice cream for breakfast, but way healthier. Now, let's whip up some overnight oats. The breakfast that practically makes itself in a jar. Mix 1/2 cup of rolled oats with 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a drizzle of maple syrup. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, you'll wake up to a creamy, dreamy breakfast. Top it with fresh berries and a handful of nuts for extra crunch. It's like having a personal breakfast chef while you sleep. Time to spice things up with a tofu scramble that'll make you forget all about eggs. Crumble some firm tofu into a pan with a bit of oil. Turmeric for that golden color, nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, and your favorite veggies. Think bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Season with salt, pepper, and a dash of garlic powder. Cook until the veggies are tender and the tofu is heated through. Serve with whole grain toast and sliced avocado. It's a protein powerhouse that'll keep you fueled all morning. Last but definitely not least, we're making peanut butter banana oatmeal cookies. Yes, cookies for breakfast. In a bowl, mash a ripe banana and mix it with 1 cup of quick oats, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Form into cookie shapes and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. These bad boys are packed with fiber, protein, and natural sweetness. Pair them with a glass of plant-based milk or your morning coffee for a breakfast that feels like a treat. Remember, vegan eating is all about creativity and having fun with your food. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors and ingredients. Start with these simple recipes and soon, you'll be a plant-based breakfast pro. The best part, all of these recipes are budget-friendly and can be prepped in advance. That means more time for hitting the snooze button or squeezing in a morning workout. Plus, they're packed with nutrients to fuel your day and keep you feeling awesome. So, are you ready to revolutionize your breakfast game? These vegan options are so delicious, you won't even miss the eggs and bacon. Give them a try and watch how your mornings transform. Your body will thank you, the planet will thank you, and your taste buds will definitely thank you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to adopting new habits. Start with 1 or 2 of these recipes a week and build from there. Before you know it, you'll be whipping up vegan breakfasts like a pro and wondering why you didn't start sooner. Now, go forth and conquer your mornings with these plant-powered breakfasts. Your journey to becoming a vegan breakfast master starts now. Happy eating, and I'll catch you in the next video with more awesome vegan recipes. Peace out, plant lovers.